Morning traders, Nick Messenger, Market Tea Leaves here to bring our daily market bias video for Friday, October 13th, or Friday the 13th. It's approximately 4:15 a.m. on the East Coast. Here we take a look at the overnight session in Asia. All of Asia traded to the upside. Currently right now in Europe, and this is current and ongoing as Europe is open trading. Up until a little while ago, the majority of the exchanges were trading higher. It's starting to change now because the London FTSE Exchange and the Paris Exchange is trading down at this particular hour. And again, they're flip-flopping in positive and negative territory, so it's any guess which way it's going to go at this point. If we were to take a look at market correlation as it stands, U.S. dollar is trading lower, and trading lower pretty much all morning long. Crude is trading higher. There is correlation between U.S. dollar and crude as this broadcast. The bonds themselves are flip-flopping between positive and negative territory. Up until a little while ago, it was one tick higher, which is not very much. And the S&P, Nasdaq, Dow Jones Industrial Average, basically pointing higher. And again, flip-flopping between positive and negative territory. And gold is trading higher. In terms of economic news, we have in the docket today for U.S. markets, we have about 9 economic news reports, if you will, most of which are considered to be major. So basically what we're dealing with is a virtual tsunami of economic news, which is very much likened to what we saw yesterday. All this being said, a bias is neutral. And the reason why I'm suggesting a neutral bias is very simply because the markets don't seem to have very much of a sense of direction. And even if we take a look at individual instruments that we track, they're flip-flopping between positive and negative territory. Bonds right now, and 30-year bonds only one tick higher. It could drop at any moment. Whereas gold is pointing higher, the indices should be pointing lower. Right now, the S&P is 2 ticks lower. However, the Nasdaq and Dow Jones Industrial Average are pointing higher. So the markets don't really have any sense of direction. And as such, we will maintain a neutral bias. A neutral bias, for most of you who recognize this and realize this, means the markets could go in any direction today. Could this change? Absolutely. Anything is possible in a volatile market. Thanks, hope this helps. Look forward to the next time with you.